Okay, today is Friday, March 31st, 2023. We're at 526 Forest in Westland. As you can see, we're at an outside clean out. The house is on a slab. The sewer does go out the back. We believe the sewer main is going to be at the back fence line. There's been some ongoing drain issues. The drain was just cabled out earlier this week. To clear a backup, we're going to do a diagnostic televise at this time. Okay, you can see here we're in the 4-inch cast iron. Okay, we are going to get some water flowing, see if we can get some flow through the sewer here, see if we could clear up some of the debris. Okay, as you can see, we were able to pass that area. As you can see, there's some loose roots here. As you can see, we do have some calcite here at this joint. So far, the sewer does appear to be clear, other than the area that appears to be right in the transition area. As you can see, we have a little bit more calcite buildup here. And you can see here's where we have a turn, and we are turning going down towards the city main. As you can see, we did have an offset joint there. And here we are currently looking at the city main. We are going to get some water flow down through the sewer. We will pause our recording. Okay, we are going to pull back at this point. We are getting the tenant to flush a bunch of water through. We just want to see if we can get a better look at the area in question. With all the possible root infiltration, it has a lot of buildup on it from a backup, and we just want to see if we can clear it up better, get a better visual of the area and the issue. You can see here we do have flow on the sewer at this point. It was not backed up upon our arrival. Okay, here you can see with the water flowing, this is the transition area right here between the 4 and 6. You can see we do have some buildup on the left-hand side, but we do have heavier roots right here at the right-hand side. And you can see that seems to be the largest area of root infiltration. Okay, again, you're going to see here as we look ahead that this is the area where we have the heaviest root infiltration. This is right at the transition area. Again, we were trying to use water. We weren't able to quite get all the debris. As you can see, there's some on the left-hand side, but you can see the heavier root infiltration on the right-hand side. And you can see here, this gives you a better view. And you can see as we push past that transition area that the sewer is clear. We will run again all the way down to the sewer main at this point, but there were only a couple of joints that we did have some calcite buildup. Those could be cleared with hydrojetting, which would also clear the root infiltration as well. That would be something that would need to be maintained. Okay, again, you can see this is one of our joints with some calcite buildup. We do have buildup along the piping, and you can see this is 45. This is where we turn down, actually towards the city main. As you can see, this is, it's hard to see with the water flowing. We are going to pause at this time. We are going to let the sewer drain down completely, and then we will record as we pull back one more time. Okay, here you can see we're looking at the city main. We are going to go ahead at this time. Pretty much water flow has stopped, so we will go ahead and record as we pull back. As you can see here, we do have a little calcite that's built up. This is offset right here, that's at a turn that goes towards the city main. The biggest area, problem area at this point is the transition area. We were able to flow water to get a better look at it due to heavy root infiltration at that area. Again, you'll see here as we pull back, this is our area of heavy root infiltration. As you can see, this is right there at the transition area. You can see the cast iron does have a small amount of scale buildup, not very severe at this time. And this will end our recording.